Hello, everyone. This is Rajiv S. Khanna from immigration.com, the law offices of Rajiv S. Khanna, PC. I wanted to quickly sum up all the issues that we have seen come up so far. Today is March 16th, 2020. The coronavirus situation is developing. There may be new issues coming up. As they are, we have created a space on our forums, forums.immigration.com. You can check me also on the LinkedIn pages of my own LinkedIn pages as well as my Facebook page. All the links are on the homepage of immigration.com. We have created a special forum for discussing all the issues related to coronavirus. That said, let me sum up what we know so far. So I have divided this discussion into 5 main parts: traveling to USA, traveling out of USA, immigration processes, non-immigrant visa, and H-1B lottery. Let me dispense with the easy ones. Traveling to USA, traveling out of USA, these are developing situations. We don't know what's going to happen. Just wait and watch. H-1B lottery, it should proceed as normal because this is all basically electronic process. So I think we should be fine with that. But let's talk about the ones that need a little discussion: immigration processes and non-immigrant visa processes. If you are already in the USA, and I'm covering both non-immigrant and immigrant, the only main problem you could have is responding to requests for evidence. So if you have an RFE in your case, respond to it to the best of your ability, and ask the government for extra time if unable to get documents or information because of coronavirus. So point out to them that I'm not able to get XYZ information because of the businesses being closed, and you can ask for extra time. Okay? If you are processing immigrant visa, and by the way, for electronic processes, whether they are PERM or they are related to electronic lottery or any kind of electronic processing, should proceed okay. There might be some delays here and there. Okay? If you're outside the USA and there is a consular request of any kind for both immigrant and non-immigrant visa, comply with all the requests. If you're not able to comply and you're trying to reach the consulate, write down the date and the time of your efforts, what you try to do, and write down the content of your communications. If you left a message, if you sent an email, and watch for all the changes that come up. It's important to document how you try to do everything by the book. There is a special case of ESTA visa waiver people who are in the United States, for example, from Europe or from any of the countries where there is a visa waiver. There is something called satisfactory departure. So you have to depart within 90 days, but the 90 days period can be a problem if you are stuck indoors with the coronavirus situation. So watch the Customs and Border Protection website, and you can also log into our forums, forums.immigration.com. You'll see right on top, there is under Rajiv's Corner, there is a special forum for coronavirus. You can check that as well. I'll keep posting information there. So what the government is doing right now, they've implemented only for John F. Kennedy Airport and for Newark Airport, New Jersey, that you can go to the deferred inspection area within the airports, the CBP deferred inspection area, and get another 30 days permission. This can also be gotten through USCIS. It is called satisfactory departure. More than that you cannot do, because if you cannot leave, you cannot leave. I had a discussion with one of our clients from Italy who was very concerned about it this morning, and I did inform him. I said, listen, nothing really bad is going to happen until 180 days after your I-94 expires. Only then you become subject to some rules that bar your entry from coming back for 3 years. But that's 180 days after your I-94 expires. So even if you were not able to regularize your status and you left after 120 or 150 days, you have no issues. You should be okay. Just keep documentation of why you were stuck in the United States, whether you have news stories or your own efforts to contact the government. Just like I asked people to do it when they contact the consulate. Keep track of your efforts, what date and time you called, or what date and time you checked the online websites, etc. So those would be some of the things that I would recommend. H-1B people who are concerned about working from places where they are not allowed to work from, I wouldn't worry about it, because I don't think government has any problem in issues of overarching public health issues. I don't think they're going to create any issues. In any case, there are many exceptions in the law, 30 days, 60 days, all kinds of exceptions exist. So if you're working off premises where you're not authorized for, I wouldn't worry about it under the current circumstances. Okay? Well, good luck, folks, and hang in there.